Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Kelly. This week we are going to be starting lesson 7 and we're going to be learning how to write our reason 1 paragraph. So we'll be starting with our IRC outline, complete with our A's and B's for our details. So I'm going to start with that now. Our topic is favorite place. So for the example, I have chosen a water park. So I'll put water park on I and on C. So now I'm going to come up with 3 reasons that I'm choosing the water park. And the first reason is the slides. And the 2 types of slides I'm going to use for my A and B are tube slides and those are the ones that you go inside of, and then inner tubes, and those are the ones that you actually ride on top of an inner tube down the slide. So both of my details go with my reason slides. Reason number 2 would be the wave pool. And I don't know if you're familiar, I know at the one they have at SeaWorld, they actually have a wave pool where it makes the waves. So there are big waves. And sometimes they even do surf lessons in the wave pool. And then my last reason is going to be the lazy river. I would have to say the lazy river is my favorite because I love to relax and I just like the whole experience. So relaxing and fountains. And fountains, this isn't like a water fountain. This would be like as you're riding along the lazy river in your inner tube, they have fountains of water spraying over your head so it falls on you like rain, and it's really cool. So this is my IRC outline. So now I'm going to go from this outline and I'm going to come up with our intro paragraph and then move on to reason 1. So for our intro paragraph, we know, let me switch out my papers. For our intro paragraph, we know we need to start with a hook and our 3 reasons. So this is about our favorite place. So I'm going to indent my 3 fingers, and I'm going to start with everyone has a favorite place. My favorite place is a water park.
Water park.
Because you can go on slides, go into the wave pool, and float in the lazy river. Going to a water park is great. So this intro paragraph we've been working on for 2 weeks. So now we're going to move into our reason 1 paragraph. Reason 1, reason 2, reason 3, all those paragraphs are going to be similar because they're going to have 5 sentences. They're going to have a topic sentence, and then they're going to have 2 sentences for your A and 2 sentences for your B. So our first reason was slides. So my topic sentence is going to be, first I'm going to indent my 3 fingers. First, my favorite place is a water park because you can go down slides. Now, the first kind of slide that I listed on my outline was tube slides. So tube slides we talked about, those are ones where you go right inside the slide, just you. All right, so I have to write 2 sentences about tube slides. Tube water slides require you to sit inside the slide so water can move quickly around you. The second reason that I like tube slides is at the bottom of the slide, there is a big swimming pool at the bottom. So these slides run into a big swimming pool. So now we have our 2 sentences for A. Now we're going to move on to B. B was inner tubes. This is the one where you actually sit on top of the inner tube to go on the slide. So I'm going to write 2 sentences about the inner tubes. You can also go down inner tube water slides you must use an inner tube to go down the slide alone or with friends. That means either you can go down by yourself, or some of the slides you can even go down with several people. So as we're looking at the differences in what we've already learned, our introduction paragraph is only 3 sentences, but our reason 1 paragraph is 5 sentences. We've got 1 sentence for our topic sentence, 2 sentences for A, and 2 sentences for B. And your reason 1, reason 2, reason 3 are all going to be 5 sentences like this. Enjoy your week, and I will talk to you soon.